Undar turns away from Elliott with apparent ease. George Undar with a fabulous goal, which gives Wolves the lead after just 5 minutes of this FA Cup tie. No one could keep up with him. There was 2 on him at the last effort. Walker stood no chance with a very cool finish from the Wolves frontman. Free kick taken quickly by Izzet. Dickoff being manhandled. It's going to be a penalty against Dennis Irwin for the foul on Paul Dickoff, and all of a sudden everyone is involved. Dickoff himself will take, facing up to Murray in the Wolves goal, and scores for Leicester, 1-1. Davison penalised for the foul on Kenny Miller. Just on the stroke of half-time as well, so it would certainly be a good time for Wolves to get a second. It's Dennis Irwin, the number 8, who's over it. The usual suspects in the box: Butler, Lescott, Undar, they're all there. It is Undar, it is number 2! Right on half-time. Undar just can't stop scoring in the FA Cup. That's his second in this game. He scored 1 against Newcastle in the 3rd round. Away by Callum Davison. George Undar. Away from Alan Rodgers. Slipped it through to Miller. Super run, super finish, super goal for Wolves. It's 3 in the FA Cup. The 5th round is just round the corner. Miller getting the right side of the Leicester defender, going round Ian Walker and slipping that one into the back of the net, to the jubilation of the Molineux faithful. Newton. Miller wants it. Here is Kenny Miller. Saved by Walker, but it's only a respite because there's number 4. Wolves are 4-1 up with 20 minutes to go in the FA Cup 4th round. Ian Walker will certainly be to blame for a poor first save.